All right, so I got this aftermarket passenger door switch for a 2015 Chevy Sonic. Here's the new switch that I just got. It came bubble wrapped, packed, arrived safely. And here's the old switch. They're almost identical. The only differences that I can see are, this is the old switch right here. It kind of has that white piece of plastic going through there. This one doesn't. It all looks relatively the same, feels the same functions. Actually, this newer one feels a little bit tighter, which isn't bad, which isn't a bad thing, you know. So on the back, same thing. We have the 6 pins on the back. They're identical. This is the old one. This is the new one. All the way around the unit, it appears to be the same. So, all right, let's test it out. Let me plug you the old one in first, show you that it doesn't work. The old one, the problem I was having is the window would go down, but not back up. See right, it's not going up. It'll go down, but not up. All right, let's try the new one. There we go. Down and up. Problem solved. Finally. So now the only thing left for me to do is to reinstall it in the door and then put everything back together again. So let me show you this thing. It's got these 4 little tabs right here and had my 4 tabs on the door. There's a hole that this goes through, obviously. But just set that into place, snap it in. Easy as that. And here you can see the switch back in place. So there we go. Easy as that once you get the door and everything off. So works great.